absence of DNA doesn't mean that there's no evidence. There have been so many cases.
Where was this? No, you can't just make allegations there without
There's
the
a
proof.
doctor.
Where was this?
There's a doctor.
Where's the proof? Where's the proof?
Please argue.
No, I'm going to ask you a question.
I am saying the doctor who first examined the baby, who first examined the child, confessed this. Why are we fighting about this?
On which platform? On which platform did the doctor confess?
It is all over. It is all over.
Where? Give us the video so
you
we
will
can listen
see it in court. We're not investigating officers. Why are you being stubborn?
Play the video.
No. Can you allow me to continue?
Yeah, you are going to play the video.
Excuse me, that it was
what race is the doctor?
They won't disclose it because we're not investigating officer. What is your problem?
What race is the doctor?
What?
What race is the doctor?
It doesn't matter. In South Africa, there's everybody. What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
You said it's everywhere.
I am saying, no, let me educate you. Can I educate you?
You are not educating me anything. I'm asking you a question.
I'm educating you because first of all, you pretend as if you're smart. You know nothing. So shut your mic and let me teach you. So it has been established that the grape happened because the anus was open.
What race
you can
is the
go
doctor?
and measure it.
Mwapa, can I ask a question? Lumka, is an open anus evidence of rape? An open anus.
Look, we don't even want to go to that deep level. Now let's play with the dummy level. Now wait, let's play with the dummy level.
Yes,
what race is the doctor who confessed? Who confessed that? What race and what gender did that doctor confess? Because you said the information is everywhere.
I just want to know, because she says her evidence of the grape is
it's not my evidence. I don't have evidence. I'm saying
when we ask you what is your proof that there was in fact a grape, you say the anus was open. So I'm asking you, is an open?
If I want to learn, I'm gonna open. Come to my life.
And open your life and lie to people.
More especially Bongani and Mr. Cwecwe. You know, you guys are like protecting the principal. Hey, am I lying?
No, we're not.
Why? Okay, why you keep on asking so many questions where else her mother addressed us with two languages, English and Zulu, on TikTok, everywhere, all the social media platforms, that her child was raped?
Because her story is not making sense if you watch the different videos.
Why does the story need to make sense to you, Bongani? You tell me. Why you alone?
Because I'm a concerned citizen.
You are a concerned citizen, but at the same time, you don't understand other people's concerns.
Relax, miss, relax. Yes, Fiona. It's Fiona's turn, guys. Give her a chance to express herself. Yes, Fiona?
I'm not expressing myself. Ngikhuluma into eswala inhlizweni yami, of which iyadina futhi it's so painful, okay? Ibhlungu kakhulu ukuthi you as a man, as a father of kids, maybe if I may ask, do you have kids as well? Regardless of a boy and a girl?
Are we being personal now?
No, I'm not being personal. This thing is personal. We are humans. Even you can be raped. They can even drag you and rape you as a man and take you to overseas. Right? True or false?
And I don't like people who are dishonest.
I'm not dishonest. Good to know you are rude. You are rude to other people. And you are too good to judge.
I'm very direct, not rude.
You are direct on what manner, Puti? On what manner, if I may ask?
I don't sugarcoat things. I speak it directly. I tell you exactly what you are, if you are that. If you're not that, then I will reserve my...
Bayingaka abantwana bangatholanga ijustice, but namhlanje bayakhona ukuthi babuyele ema-police station bothola ijustice. But wena uyazama ukuthi umama kaCwecwe angasahambi akhulume athule. Uthulela ini? Yini ayithulelayo? Sikhulile sinje namhlanje asikatholanga ijustice. But mase kufika isikhathi ukuthi sitholele abantwana bethu justice, nifuna sithule. Sithulelani? Yini kumele sithule? Sinabantwana bavuka kusasa bayovula ezikolweni Tuesday. Sibayahamba thina sisale la singathembi ukuthi abantwana bethu kwenzakalani. Ngenxa yenu abantu abafana nani bongani. Iqiniso kumele nitshelwe.
Don't accuse Bongani of anything. Don't accuse us with anything here. No. Do you want to insult us or you want to solve the case?
Allow Ngobile to speak. Allow Ngobile to speak.
Emotions is involved, guys, that I guess was run away from, but we are trying to be calm. Here's my observation, Carla, before I say anything. It seems like Cwecwe he is so sure ubangaba umama Cwecwe is lying to the country. So my question is, are you implying that that woman is mentally ill? Because obviously, if someone would come up with something like that and lie to the whole country, that obviously that person is lunatic. What are you implying exactly? Because seemingly every time this whole thing I've been listening, Cwecwe just wants to listen to the people that agree to what he is actually thinking.
Okay, Sia, before I allow Cwecwe to respond to you, did you hear what Coco said? Because it seems like you're ignoring a 5-7 minutes presentation.
I'm coming to her. No, I'm coming to her because, listen, I'm coming to her because Naya, I can actually hear that she is implying that that woman is lying to the whole country. And my thing is, so you guys that are thinking the same way that you are thinking, this means that you are saying to us, that woman has got a mental illness because no or right in the state of mind that would just lying into NJ. Out of everything in life in Yake, she would waste her time and lie to people about her child being raped. Is she that bored? Does she have nothing to do with her life to an extent where she would lie to people like this? Because it's seemingly this is what people are implying here. So this question is actually for Cwecwe with Ukuku because they're actually they're agreeing to this about this woman. He's lying to the whole country. Then it means what you guys are lying that woman has got a mental illness.
You're not listening. Coco said that she receives some of the advices from people. Listen, she is receiving advices from other people, and those advices are actually wrong. You didn't listen to this lady for 7 minutes. You didn't.
No. I was attentively listening to Kuku. I heard everything that she said.
Then why are you saying what she's not saying that? Because she said that she received advices from someone who's from the Department of Education, and they planted that idea in her.
Cwecwe, can I ask you, out of everything that you listen to that Ukoko has said, what would be your conclusion to what she has said if Mnake I didn't listen? When the conclusion from everything that you listened from her, in do I tetayo.
You said I agree with her.
There must be a conclusion.
You said I agree with her, so you already put the words in my mouth that I agree with her, of which in the most cases I think. Can I finish? You ask me a question. Can I finish? You ask me a question and it.
Okay. Yeah. I'm listening.
What she's saying really go in line with what the police have said, because the police are not yet willing to say that there is no case, because the report said that there is no DNA evidence of a foreign DNA inside of her. And on the first podcast, she said there is no penetration. Right? How did the story change from no penetration to penetration? And if there was penetration, listen to me, I'm still talking. And with that, what she said that there was a 1 liter of whatever, why didn't they, the very same liters of whatever that was taken from her, used as a sample? Because now the police said there is no evidence of a foreign DNA inside her, of which proves Coco right what she's telling the truth. What there is no DNA, foreign DNA inside her. Should I
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kune live le trend ngendlela esimangalela phana aku TikTok le bekufaka phakathi bubo ngani dibo koko nje babaningi laphana whereby bekune bande belaphana kule panel live le bebathi makoqeqwe lied to the world. Uqweqwe was not raped. Uqweqwe was constipated. Guys, I cannot believe ukuthi kune bantu labaqabanga like this every day. Like people who are so insensitive ngendaba alebhlungu nalebuqayi ngalendlela. Guys, I hope labantu labakhuluma lana they don't have kids, because if they do have kids bangafela njani bona uma into lefana nalena le indaba lele qoqwe mayingenteke ebantwaneni babo. Like really, how do you even kuma-social media platforms uhambe uyokhuluma into lefana nalena, ukhulume ngemuntu lova buhlungu umntwana namake labava buhlungu ngendlela lesimangalo kubavelele, and uthi wena lo maka uqambe emanga. Ngibani alangaqamba amanga ngento lenjalo? Guys, please man, let us use the social media ngendlela le-right and not to get attention. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.